Today we are going to learn Chinese characters.
鸟
Please watch my accurate pronunciation.
鸟 n i 袄鸟鸟小鸟小鸟天上有一只小鸟，天上有一只小鸟，鸟叫，鸟叫，你能听见鸟叫吗？你能听见鸟叫吗？鸟巢，鸟巢，树上有一个鸟巢，树上有一个鸟巢。
Now let's see how to write this character. The stroke at the top should be short. This is an pictograph created by imitating the shape of a little bird. In traditional Chinese culture, birds symbolize freedom, vitality, and beauty. Ancient Chinese people loved birds very much, so birds often appear in traditional paintings and poems. They stand for goodness, good fortune, and a longing for distant places. When writing this character, pay attention to making this stroke a little longer. See you next class. Remember to practice more.